Hi friends, today we will discuss about top 5 Excel tips, and in previous video we discussed about how to remove temporary files in system. So if anyone missed out that video, we will provide the link in description. Please do watch. So coming back to today's topic, we will discuss about top Excel tips. So first one is the customization of the ribbon. So it is the most important thing we have to know that. So in the see the ribbon is at the top of the Excel, it is working on home, insert, page layout and formulas. So how to customization we can see in the file. We have to go for the options, and in options we have to see there are multiple options is there, formulas and save languages. Here we have to select customize ribbon. So in the customization ribbon we can able to manage in see the we have to work on the home, insert, page layout. So I see that my most working in the data, so I'm moving data into second place, and next I have to most working on the view. So these are based on that we can able to customize our ribbon. And in home also, if you see front, clipboard and alignment, numbers and editing. So editing I'm moving to second option. Like that we can able to sub categories also we can able to customize the ribbon. So like that we can able to most utilize our workings on Excel. So second one is how see hide and unhide. If you see I'm hiding the D column, and in row also some of the rows are I'm hiding. So if you want to open that hide cells, instead of selecting each and see if I want unhide means it won't open that. So if instead of that you can able to select entire sheet like Control A, or and from rows and columns corner we have the taskbar. So you can able to select here by selecting. If anyone we can able to do unhide means we can able to everything will be unhide. So instead of that, if you see there will be shortcut also. So instead of opening right click, instead of using mouse also we can able. So now I am hiding this. So I am selecting the overall data. So if I want to unhide the rows, you can drag this. So total, if you see from the rows everything is open. If you open column side, you can drag on the column. So total everything is open. So instead of using the mouse, we can able to use hide or unhide the things. So next one is dynamic border. If you see so instead of dynamic border I have to use formula. So going to see conditional formulas, new roles, and use formula determine which cell format. So here we have to equal to select the row F1 in first one. So remove this dollar symbol. So format the pose and select the border. Make it selection OK. See now there won't be any border here. If I enter any data here, if you see automatic border will select. So while working on the larger files or anything, you can able to select this rows and enter sheet. We can able to do the condition for one time. Wherever the data is there, we can able to automatically the border will come. If you see I am deleting the data, the border will arise. So here you can see I am not entering the data, the border will not come. So what the data rows you can column you can select and applying the conditional formula. Then we can able to easily work on these borders. So again I will briefing that formula once again. So here we can see here we can able to apply this border formula. So if you see I am entering the data, also border is not coming. So select this column sheet and go to the condition formula, go to the new rules and go to use formulas and determine which cell you have to in the formula cell you can end equal to, select the first column and less than or equal to symbol and hyphen, then remove this dollar and go to format, select the border and press OK. See here the border automatically, if you enter any letter, border automatically will come. And next thing we have to go for this total. If you see here I have the total. If I delete this quantity, so the total formula is 0 is coming, even though if you apply comma, that dot lines or comma will come. Instead of that, it doesn't require these things. See, I am going to the condition format and go to the format cells and go to custom and here you can remove this and use 0. See, I am removing the quantity, but here formula is there, but it can't be able to visible. For that, so again I am telling that formula. So go to the format cells and select the custom button, and here if you instead of type general, so remove the general and enter 0 and comma. So select it. So if you delete the quantity, the formula is not visible to that. If you enter the quantity, see the formula automatically will come. So this is the one thing. And next one, hide the groups and pictures. If you see in the Excel I have this graphical presentation. If I need to hide, means if you see I can able to select this, go to hide, it is hidden, but total data is hidden and graph also is hidden. Instead of that, we can use so instead of that we have to how to hide the pictures. So if you see here in Excel, we can able to hide this graphs and pictures here. So for that we can see so instead of going to shortcut, if you see I need to hide here, means if you see I'm adding these columns, so some data and some this is hidden. See, total data and graphs is hidden. Instead of that, so we have to go to the home page and go to the find and select the selection pane. Here if you see the pictures or chart, anything what is there, it will be visible here. We can able to select this one, so chart is hidden. Like that, any pictures or everything what is there, it will be visible here. We can able to hide. We can able to hide means we can select it. So instead of hiding each individual graphs or pictures, everything we can able to hide like this. Oh, thank you friends watching this video. In next video we will discuss about 5 more Excel tips. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you feel our efforts are useful to you, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.